In a world where computers...
No. Let's do this properly. Welcome to an announcement video. For the past few months I've been working on a platformer game. But before I get into what the game is, I'm going to give a bit of a backstory of why I made it. Well, around 2017-2018 I made my first ever game and uploaded it to the Google Play Store and the App Store, and it was called ENIAC Attack. It was a very simple platformer game, and when I mean simple, I mean very simple, because it didn't even have a proper windscreen or any other pages or UI to make it look nicer, and it only had one level. The goal back when I was creating the game was just to have the experience of making a simple game and uploading it to the Google Play Store and the App Store. And now fast forward to a few months ago, I decided to remake the game, but with loads more features and gameplay mechanics. And don't worry, I will be releasing a devlog soon about the game and the process of how I created it, but for now, I would just like to present you my game. Enjoy! Alright, before I show you the actual footage of the game, I would like you to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified of every video I upload in the future. It'll help me out a lot. And now finally, enjoy the trailer.
6 intense levels. Avoid obstacles. Collect items. And more to come. Download the game soon. Available on the Google Play Store and the App Store.